Hey guys, my name is Manish and welcome back to Planet Bollywood, your one-stop shop for all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Before I begin today's show, I'm going to remind you guys again about our Zoom Facebook page. Go and check it out for all the latest, most updated news about your favorite celebrities. And on that note, here are our top stories. Neha Kakkar reveals to Salman how she fell in love with Rohan Preet. 90s star Rahul Roy suffers a stroke while shooting in Kargil. Jacqueline to join Akshay and Kriti on Bachchan Pandey. Vicky Katrina attend Karan Johar's house party together. Abhishek Bachchan is winning hearts in his Bob Biswas avatar. Bachchan Pandey has found its second female lead. Sajid Nadiadwala's favorite Jacqueline Fernandez is all set to join the movie alongside Akshay Kumar and Kriti Sanon, and the stunning Jacqueline couldn't be happier. Jacqueline Fernandez is on a roll. The actor is currently filming for Bhoot Police with Saif Ali Khan and Arjun Kapoor and is all set to reunite with Sajid Nadiadwala for the 8th time now with Bachchan Pandey. Jacqueline, who has worked with Akshay before as well, seems super excited to be a part of this film. Here's the story. Bachchan Pandey, which has Akshay Kumar playing the titular character, will go on floors in January 2021. सुनने में आया है कि इस फिल्म में अक्षय plays a Don with acting dreams. Earlier there was a confirmation about Kriti Sanon being signed alongside Akshay Kumar, and now Jackie has confirmed कि वो भी इस फिल्म का हिस्सा होंगी. Jackie shared a post on social media to confirm this news and wrote that she is super excited to work with Sajid and Akshay again. While there are rumors कि कृति एक जर्नलिस्ट का रोल प्ले करेंगी, Jacqueline's character is being kept under wraps. This is the 8th time that Jacqueline is collaborating with the team at Nadiadwala Grandson. Bachchan Pandey के अलावा she is working on the Kick sequel opposite Salman Khan that is being produced by Sajid Nadiadwala as well. अपनी खुशी बयान करते हुए जैकलीन ने कहा, I am elated to be back working with him and Bachchan Pandey. I can't wait to reunite with Akshay once again. It's a crazy mad ride always with him, and I'm sure we will have a blast together. The actor also shared that she will be seen in a completely new avatar in the film. Given the ongoing pandemic, all the precautions will be taken to ensure that it's safe for the actors and the crew to complete work on the film. Akshay, Jackie, Kriti and Arshad Varsi will head to Jaisalmer to start filming on the 6th of January, and many scenes will be shot in real locations around the picturesque town. The actors will be in Jaisalmer for a marathon 2-month schedule and will be staying together at a palace hotel, जहां वो कुछ scenes भी film करेंगे. We are excited to see you in so many different films, Jacqueline. Here's wishing you a very successful 2021. उन्हें विक कैट बुलाएं या विक्ट्रीना, but looks like Vicky and Katrina are definitely on the way to becoming a couple #soon. The rumored lovebirds were spotted outside director Karan Johar's house, and safe to say, we can't keep calm about spotting the two at the same location after 9 whole months. Though they aren't still making appearances together, it seems like rumored couple Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif are getting plenty of opportunities to meet and mingle thanks to their helpful friends in Bollywood playing Cupid. Vicky has been spotted outside Katrina's house a couple of times over the past few months once the lockdown restrictions eased, and thanks to some vigilant social media users, we realized that Kat and Vicky were even wearing the same hoodie in their pictures. So is there really a heady romance brewing? Take a look. विकी कौशल और कटरीना कैफ की लव स्टोरी के चर्चे कई महीनों से चल रहे हैं. और देखा जाए तो एक तरह से करण जौहर, जिनके घर पे ये दोनों एक हाउस पार्टी अटेंड करने गए, has played Cupid. It was on a chat show with Karan that Vicky pretended to faint when he was told that Katrina felt the two of them would make a great pair. But it looks like Vic Cat is actually living that dream. The producer-director had also invited other members from the fraternity like director Zoya Akhtar, his star kid protege Ananya Pandey, and director Kabir Khan, who came with his wife Minnie Mathur. Though they didn't come in the same car or leave together, Vicky और Katrina दोनों ही करण जौहर की हाउस पार्टी के लिए invited थे, and it was indeed a very happy moment for fans to see the two rumored lovebirds at the same location again after almost a year. While Vicky looked cool and casual in a purple hoodie, Katrina wore a red dress and a black mask. Not surprisingly, the paparazzi was thrilled to see this jodi together, and though they didn't make any joint appearances, just knowing that they were together in Karan Johar's house was cause enough for a celebration. आखिरी बार एक हाई प्रोफाइल होली पार्टी में विकी और कटरीना एक साथ दिखे थे, and it was in fact also the first time that we saw the couple dancing together and realized that there was something brewing between Kaif and Kaushal. Katrina then attended a special screening of Vicky's film Bhoot, and though they spent time apart during the lockdown, as soon as restrictions lifted, विकी कई बार कटरीना के घर के बाहर स्पॉट किए गए हैं, being the perfect Romeo to his Juliet. Though the two don't indulge in too much social media PDA, they made sure to wish each other on their birthdays. लेकिन जब कटरीना ने विकी के भाई को उनके जन्मदिन पे विश किया, it seemed like a special gesture one would extend to the loved ones of a loved one. Some alert netizens also spotted that in two different social media posts, Vicky और कटरीना ने एक ही डिजाइनर की हुडी भी पहनी थी. अब whether they just happened to have the same hoodie or one gifted the hoodie to the other, ये तो hopefully किसी दिन ये couple ही बताएंगे. In the meanwhile, the two are going to be busy with their respective films in the months to come. While Vicky has Sardar Udham Singh, the Sam Monik-Shaw biopic, and then Karan Johar's Takht lined up, Katrina has Phone Booth and a superheroine project that may stream on an OTT platform. Well, नाना करते करते प्यार हो गया, अब इनकार भूल के इजहार भी कर दीजिए विकी एंड कटरीना. Abhishek Bachchan's new look as contract killer Bob Biswas is taking the internet by storm. Abhishek, who will reprise the role of Bob, who was first seen in the 2012 film Kahani, was spotted in Kolkata wearing a bald patch, thick glasses, and also seems to have gained weight for the part.
Abhishek Bachchan took a 2-year sabbatical from acting before returning with a wonderful performance in Manmarziya, which was followed up with a web series and the very popular film Ludo, which released around Diwali this year on a streaming platform. When Bob Biswas, which is a spin-off on the film Kahani, was announced last year, many people were curious about how Abhishek would pull off such an iconic character. But it looks like he will prove his critics wrong yet again.
Bob Biswas, a cold-blooded contract killer, was one of the scariest characters we had seen in Bollywood in decades. Or his habit of saying namaskar before killing his victims left people both enthralled and frightened. कई सालों से Bollywood fans ये request कर रहे थे that there be a spin-off film featuring just Bob, who became a huge hit. Finally, in 2019, it was announced that a spin-off film from Kahani titled Bob Biswas would be made featuring Abhishek Bachchan along with Chitrangada Singh. However, the pandemic and lockdown meant that the film's shoot was stalled, but now, almost 9 months later, the team has resumed work on this highly anticipated film. Pictures from the shoot featuring Abhishek Bachchan in his Bob Biswas look have gone viral and netizens were blown away by the actor's transformation. जिनको भी डाउट्स थे कि क्या अभिषेक इस आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर को निभा पाएंगे या नहीं, वो उनके फोटोज को देख के स्टन्ड रह गए हैं. Wearing a bald patch, glasses and sporting a paunch, Abhishek was almost unrecognizable as Bob. Speaking about the pictures going viral, Abhishek said, "The reaction was an endorsement that we are doing something right. I believe that if you look the character, half your job is done." अपने कैरेक्टर और लुक के बारे में बात करते हुए अभिषेक ने बताया कि उन्हें ओरिजिनल बॉब बिस्वास की तरह लगने के लिए काफी वजन बढ़ाना पड़ा, which was difficult to maintain during the lockdown. लेकिन सारी मुश्किलों के बावजूद, the unit is finally back in Kolkata shooting for the film and he couldn't be more excited. Abhishek is also looking forward to a sports docu-series based on the Kabaddi team that he owns that will stream on an OTT platform soon. The documentary will take a raw and real behind-the-scenes look into what happens within the franchise. But did you know that the team's name, Jaipur Pink Panthers, has been a very personal connection to Abhishek? अभिषेक अपने पापा अमिताभ बच्चन को प्यार से पैंथर बुलाते हैं, while pink is his daughter Aradhya's favorite color. Ash acted in a film called Pink Panther and her blue-green eyes have inspired the eyes of the panther in their logo. So अभिषेक ने अपने पूरे परिवार से जुड़ी बातों को अपनी कबड्डी टीम के नाम में जोड़ा है. '90s star Rahul Roy, who acted in quite a few hit films like Aashiqui and Junoon, has suffered a brain stroke while shooting for the film LAC, Live the Battle in Kargil. The actor has been airlifted from Kargil and is now undergoing treatment at a hospital in Mumbai.
Rahul Roy had a spectacular debut in 1990 with the film Aashiqui. Lekin his career never managed to take off, with films that followed never being able to match up to the success of his debut movie. The actor decided to take a step back from Bollywood when he found love and decided to focus on his personal life instead. Unfortunately, his marriage ended in 2014 and the actor was attempting to make a comeback in acting ever since. He participated and won a reality show in 2016 and was perhaps working towards a comeback when he suffered a major health setback. Take a look.
Rahul Roy became the heartthrob of a nation in the 90s, but sadly today he is battling a serious health condition that has left him unable to speak. Rahul was shooting in Kargil under difficult weather conditions for the past few days. According to medical reports, Rahul is suffering from a condition called aphasia, जहां patient communicate करने की ability खो देता है, making it difficult for a person to speak, write, and understand language. According to the latest update, the right side of Rahul's face is affected and his right arm has also gone a bit weak. Recovery is likely to be slow and the actor may require surgery and sessions of physiotherapy as part of the healing process. Rahul was shooting for the film LAC, Live the Battle, at -15 degrees in Kargil, and the difficult weather conditions have been testing the health of the cast members. Rahul के co-star निशांत मलखानी ने एक इंटरव्यू में बताया कि ठंड और मुश्किल वर्किंग कंडीशंस के कारण शायद राहुल की हेल्थ पे सीरियस इंपैक्ट हुआ है. In spite of cold temperatures, they were going up and down the mountains every day to complete the film, which is supposed to be one short 90-minute film. निशांत ने बताया that they first noticed trouble जब राहुल शूट के दौरान थोड़े डल लग रहे थे और उन्हें डायलॉग बोलने में मुश्किल हो रही थी. He was struggling to complete sentences, and by evening, the team sensed that there was something wrong. उन्हें तुरंत हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया और इनिशियल रिपोर्ट से ही पता चल गया कि he had suffered a serious health setback. मिलिट्री की हेल्प से उन्हें पहले श्रीनगर और फिर मुंबई ले जाया गया। We wish Rahul a speedy and complete recovery and hope that he is back on a movie set really soon.
Happy birthday!
रोहन की दीवानी नेहा कक्कड़ ने बताया सलमान खान को कि आखिर कब, कहां और कैसे उन्हें हुआ रोहनप्रीत से प्यार और क्यों उन्हें लगा कि वही है उनके मिस्टर राइट। Now for the first time, Neha, who had a chat courtship and pat vyah with Rohanpreet Singh, has revealed कि आखिर रोहनप्रीत ने उन पे ऐसा क्या जादू चलाया कि वो उनकी प्रेम की दीवानी बन गई।
Neha and Rohanpreet married with full pomp and splendor amidst the difficulties of the pandemic. Their wedding festivities kick-started in Mumbai with a Roka ceremony. The couple and their families then traveled to Delhi for the wedding ceremonies before enjoying a grand wedding reception in Chandigarh. They topped off the grand wedding with a lavish honeymoon in Dubai, and Neha now is busy with being a judge on a reality show and promoting her new song, Shona Shona. Take a look.
When Salman asked Neha if she had written the much popular song Nehu Da Vyah for her wedding, or did she want to use the track as her wedding song, or did she choose to get married after writing the song? Replying to Salman's question, Neha ne bataya that she met Rohanpreet for the first time while shooting for the music video of the song. Speaking about their whirlwind romance, Neha said, मैंने लाइफ में पहली बार गाना बनाया और मुझे पता नहीं था कि मैं एक्चुअली अपनी फ्यूचर लिख दूंगी। The singer added that she had no idea कि गाने के वीडियो में रोहनप्रीत को कास्ट किया गया था, but when she met him, she couldn't stop falling for him. उन्होंने कहा, I'm sure about everything. Even when I go shopping, I take no time in picking out my outfit. And Rohu is the sort of person that whoever sees or listens to him would become his divana. And that's what I am. I am his divani and I had to marry him. In an earlier interaction as well, Neha had shared कि रोहनप्रीत से मिलते ही उन्हें वो अच्छे लगे थे. While she found him cute and good looking, his pleasant demeanor and his great attitude towards his work also charmed her heart.
Happy birthday!
Well, we can't be happier for the two of you, and we wish you many melodious years together.
Well, guys, it's time for a very quick break on the show, but don't go anywhere. We have a lot more on the other side.
और बाकी हाथ दिखा कर रेल करेंगे।
भारती एक बहुत इंडिया के टॉप नंबर 1 कॉमेडियन है और उनकी रिस्पेक्ट है क्योंकि हर्ष और भारती मेरे बहुत अच्छे घर के रिलेशन है, मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं। मुझे लगता है ये किसी का षड्यंत्र है।
और बाकी हाथ दिखा कर रेल करेंगे।
In a new development related to the arrest and questioning of comedian Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh Limbachia, there are unconfirmed reports emerging that Bharti may be asked to leave a popular television show hosted by Kapil Sharma, where she made occasional appearances. Bharti and her husband were arrested after raids on their home and office, where small quantities of a banned substance was found that they allegedly accepted that they had purchased for personal consumption.
The NCB seems to have widened its net as it investigates the supposed link between peddlers of banned substances and their alleged clients in the media and entertainment business. After investigating multiple personalities from the movie business, the NCB arrested and questioned Bharti and Harsh before a court released them on bail. However, given that the two have allegedly accepted that they did consume banned substances, the impact this will have on their career is yet to be seen. Take a look.
While the couple is out on bail, in what may be a fresh setback to the couple, rumors are doing the rounds that the TV channel, which telecast a popular talk show hosted by Kapil Sharma, is planning to drop Bharti from its star cast.
कभी-कभी नहीं समझ में आता आपको कि आपके लिए क्या सही है, क्या गलत है।
Though Bharti doesn't appear in every episode of the show, social media was buzzing with news that even Kapil was in agreement with the channel and agreed to their decision of asking Bharti to leave to avoid controversy. लेकिन शो के बाकी कास्ट मेंबर्स ने इस बात को झुठलाते हुए कहा है कि वो सब भारती के साथ हैं और उन्हें शो से नहीं निकाला जाएगा।
वैसे भी जो लोगों को हंसाता है उसके साथ करोड़ों लोगों की दुआएं हमेशा से दिल से दुआएं निकलती हैं इनके लिए और आज भी यही निकल रही हैं।
कास्ट मेंबर कीकू शर्मा ने बताया कि भारती सबसे रीसेंट एपिसोड के शूट पे नहीं थी, लेकिन नॉर्मल है क्योंकि वो हर एपिसोड में नहीं शामिल होती। He added, "In fact, I haven't heard of any talk of her not being a part of the show. She just wasn't there yesterday at the shoot and that's about it." कृष्णा अभिषेक ने भी भारती के निकाले जाने की खबरों को गलत बताते हुए कहा कि ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है और चैनल ने ऐसा कोई फैसला नहीं लिया है। कृष्णा ने कहा है कि उनकी पूरी टीम भारती के साथ है एंड बोथ ही एंड कपिल आर ऑफरिंग हर अनकंडीशनल सपोर्ट। भारती इस शो पे कई पॉपुलर कैरेक्टर्स प्ले कर चुकी हैं एंड इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस इन द बिजनेस।
और भारती हाथ दिखा के देख पा रही हैं।
We can only hope that she and her husband are able to move forward from this setback and rise to greater heights.
Well, folks, with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. We will be back tomorrow again, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. जाते जाते मैं आपको remind करूंगा दोबारा to check out our Zoom Facebook page. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, ciao.